I'm Nick Blanchard. I'm Shawnee and Sac and Fox. I will name this mural Sacred Path because of the classic roads and everything that's has to do with Route 66. Sac and Fox Nation wanted me to paint something for them and to celebrate Route 66. This building, these nice people here, they sell Chevy parts, and this is a Chevy building. So I put the Chevy, and the classic car is to represent the time of how long this highway's been here. Jim Thorpe is a national Olympic winner. As far as I can remember, I was told that I just picked the pencil up and just started drawing and drawing and drawing, and just like my grandma always told me, keep going, keep it going. Just no matter what you do, you know, just go and keep at it. I mean, find different ways of, you know, drawing, how to draw, how to shade. Eventually you'll get up to, just don't be afraid to experiment different, you know, mediums, and paint, pencil, charcoal, whatever it is, it's just keep on going and you'll get it. Anybody can put their mind to it, it can be done. You just gotta want it.
This mural celebrates the history of Stroud, Oklahoma, specifically focusing on the Sac and Fox Nation.